Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Telegram username in TonKeeper. So for you to do that, you have to open your TonKeeper app on your iPhone, then you tap at this icon called browser, then you're going to scroll all the way down till NFT. You can see NFT, this NFT, and under NFT you're going to select a fragment. It is a platform, so once you tap on it, another page will pop up. Then from here you can have the available list of Telegram usernames that you can buy on this particular platform, and the only way you can make payment is by connecting your TonKeeper wallet to this particular platform. So from there you can pay for Telegram username, and there's duration for it. For example, if you want to buy this particular Telegram username, you want to buy it for just 25 days, then you have to pay 225 ton coin for this. They are cheaper rates. They are for, if you want to buy this particular one, if you want to buy this for just 1 day, then you pay at this rate. So then you can also check the sold out ones. From here you can see these are sold out. You can see this onto, actually the user bought this at 900,000 ton coin, and this also this username also was bought by someone 700,000 ton coin. So all these usernames are used in Telegram just for business purpose or other set of business. So if you want to buy yours, you can simply come down here and purchase a Telegram username for your brand. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.